I'm Nathan Kranker, and I'm the owner of Gorilla Mill. This is our 50th year here in business. We do a wide variety of products, whether that be end mills being our bread and butter, or you have thread mills, drills. We're constantly expanding. In the beginning, we had tried out various different types of machines, and they weren't really working for us. Eventually, we met our Anka salesman, and he was able to show us what value it had, and ever since that point, it's really stuck. The Ankas have been a huge game changer. As soon as we had our first one in the building, that's why we're almost up to 30 at this point.
I've run Ankas, I've run other types of machines. You look at some of this other stuff and it's just hard to find things and know what you're gonna adjust, and are you sure this is the right thing to adjust? And you go into Anka, it's boom, 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 boom. It's all right there. Now, as far as training new people, Anka is by far the easiest machine to train on. Their software is so user-friendly, it spells everything out. You know what you're adjusting. You don't have to read a manual to see, oh, well, what does this do, what does that do? Just to put that in a little perspective, Anka, like I said, is by far the easiest machine to train somebody on.
For the CPX, it was a no-brainer for us. As soon as we saw what it was capable of, we saw that Anka was doing a really good job of filling the role in a fairly small market for blank prep machines. These machines brought the productivity, the cycle time reduction, reliability, you name it, in a market that desperately needed it. It works exactly how you need it to. It's very intuitive. The machines were able to really get us into a mass production mindset, which is really what our goal was. They were robust and they had the ability to not only be user-friendly for us to figure out, but then they were repeatable. We could count on the same results every time.
It could run lights out,
The MX Ultra is all that is advertised. You can really tell the difference in the quality of tooling. You get a better finish, it makes your wheels last longer, it makes the tools more repeatable. It is really just everything good coming together. Our customers absolutely love the Ultra. In fact, it's somewhat of a selling point for us. For some of our higher precision jobs that require that repeatability, we're able to show our customers that we have taken the initiative to get a next level machine to deliver what they're looking for.
We run the laser on big production jobs, 7 flute tools, 9 flute tools, and I'm talking, thousands of tools. If we didn't have to dress wheels, we would never have to stop that machine. It just holds and it comps that wheel so perfectly.
With Gorilla Mill and Anka both hitting our 50 years this year, it's been a fantastic relationship. They've been with us right from the start. They understood us, and the nice thing is that, like ourselves, we try to innovate and be the best in the business. Anka has continuously shown to us that they have a drive to keep growing and that ambition that works perfectly with us.